Hey everyone! If you're looking to get a Canva Pro team invite link, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to grab that link and share it with your team or friends. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your laptop, PC, or even your phone. The process is the same across devices. Head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the small drop-down menu next to it. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Refer Friends. Here's the deal. Canva Pro isn't free, but you can get a free trial or rewards by referring friends. When your friends sign up for Canva Pro using your link, you both get rewarded. On the Refer Friends page, you'll see a unique invite link. Simply click the Copy Link button, and you're all set. Now, share this link with your friends, team members, or anyone you want to invite to your Canva Pro team. Once they join, you'll both enjoy the benefits of Canva Pro. And that's it. If you're ready to create stunning designs, try Canva Pro for free. Link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.